Good morning, children. The question is given now. Solve for real numbers x plus y plus z is equal to 2, xy plus 2z is equal to yz plus 2x is equal to zx plus 2y. You have to find x, y, and z values. This is a model question for Olympiad exams. So here some logic is there. That's why this problem is selected. So those who are new to this channel, subscribe the channel so that you can get the latest updates. Your subscription is very very important. Like this Olympiad logical, critical, and tough problems will be uploaded from this channel. Your subscription is very, very important. So minimum you can like the video. So here pause the video for 10 seconds and think about this problem. Can you solve this problem or not? If not, you can continue the video. You are going to start the problem. So here given x plus y plus z is equal to 2. X plus y plus z is equal to 2. Xy plus 2z is equal to yz plus 2x. So here we are taking this 2 and in the place of 2 we are writing the value of xyz. So here xy plus x plus y plus z into z is equal to yz plus x plus y plus z into x. So here if you multiply here xy plus xz plus yz plus z square is equal to yz plus x square plus xy plus zx. So here some terms will get cancelled. Xy get cancelled. Xz cancel. Yz cancel. So here you are getting z square is equal to x square. So here x is equal to plus or minus z. So here you are taking case 1. If x is equal to z, if x is equal to z, then 2x plus y, substituting in 1 let it be 1 and 2. 2x plus y is equal to 2. And substituting in the second one, xy plus 2x. Xy plus 2x is equal to x square plus 2y. So here sending all the terms to the one side. X square minus xy minus 2 into x minus y is equal to 0. So x square minus xy minus 2x plus 2y is equal to 0. So here you can take factors x into x minus y minus 2 into x minus y is equal to 0. X minus y into x minus y into x minus 2 is equal to 0. So here if you take x is equal to 2, if you take x is equal to 2, then the first one will become 2x plus y is equal to 2. So here substituting in that 2 into 2 plus y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2 minus 4, you'll get minus 2. If you take if x is equal to y, then so 2x plus y, first one is equal to 2. So 3y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2 by 3 will get. So the possible values of x comma y comma z, what we are getting here, 2 minus 2 2 and 2 by 3 2 by 3 2 by 3. Now if we take case 2, if you take case 2, in the case 2, if x is equal to minus z, if x is equal to minus z, then y is equal to z, that implies x square minus 4 equal to 0. Here xy plus 2z is equal to zx plus 2y. So here we'll get minus 2z plus 2z will get. Here we'll get minus x square plus 4. So this can be written as, this value is 0. X square minus 4 equal to 0. So this one you have written here. So x is equal to plus or minus 2. Now here we will get two cases. Therefore xyz, if we take 2 comma 2 comma minus 2 or minus 2 comma 2 comma 2. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.